All right. So here's the situation. Scout and I have decided to go for a winter hike. It's not really a winter hike, but it is a winter hike in that we're... Do that again. I don't know if we got that. Do it again. Okay. So what we're doing basically is there's the first winter snow of the season is happening right now, and we're going to go for a walk through our local park where we did our faux backpacking trip. So we're calling this a faux winter backpacking sort of thing, but we're not going to camp out in the backyard because we do not have equipment that would prepare us for how cold it could get tonight.
How about we call this,
Here, you take the reins.
Okay. How about we actually just call this the, winter faux cabin camping?
There we go. This will be more like cabin camping because we're going to be going home
And like having a nice dinner.
and having a nice dinner. We're going to order Chinese, and we sit by the fireplace, which is the gas fireplace. And we might even watch a movie. But,
Oh, squirrel.
squirrel. What? Anyway,
Ooh.
so this should be interesting.
Yeah.
So this is the trailhead to the White Trail. You can see the markers on the tree right there. And we're gonna walk, you can see that people have already walked through here. Walk through it, and now this is Devil's Hill. You can see some people sledding down it already. Tomorrow this place will be packed because everybody and their dog will come here to ski and sled down here. You're not supposed to ski, but sledding I guess is okay. This is Thompson Park. There's that lodge over there, the Indian Lodge right there, and the lake over here. This is the spot where they launch fireworks from for 4th of July. So Scout and I are going to be walking this, and hopefully get a reasonable shot of me, a reasonable shot of Scout. We'll see him over there, we'll see. And we're going to go walk into the trailhead.
And we're attempting to go to the green trail
We're going to walk up to the green trail and walk around a little bit
and walk back.
and go back home. Because we're not going to be out here very long. We just want to see what it's like to walk in the woods,
In the snow.
in the snow. You know, because what happens if we're doing like the AT or something like that and it snows and we got to get going? You know, we're not prepared for anything like that. But you never know. You gotta have to be prepared for, have an idea of what it's going to be like to be walking in these conditions and stuff. So we'll get the Scout as he walks along. He's wearing his snow pants. So the markers can be a little hard to see. You can see one on the tree right there, but the tree's covered with snow. But we walk this trail a lot, so we kind of know how it goes. Walking in a winter wonderland. And this is the tree that just last week had all its fall colors on it. Oh, here's something really cool. I don't know if you can see it. It's got some little red berries on it. Right there. They're red berries of some kind, I guess. Not really sure what that is. But this tree had all its red leaves and stuff on it. I took a picture of it. Let's see if we can post that up there as we go along. I'm going to put this up so people can know what I'm talking about. Because I'm not crazy. I am crazy, but not in that way. So we're not going that way though. You can see we're going towards the dog park. So you can see the coordinates for where this is. So if you want to type it in, this is Thompson Park. You can see the green blaze was covered. Scout was uncovering it. You can see where one of the Boy Scout troops had a station here for their, probably for the Klondike or something. And we're going to be going down the trail that way. We're going to redo the walk that we did the other day, but it wasn't snowing when we saw the last of the fall colors. This is really kind of pretty out here. Camera's shaking on the stand a little bit. Fix that. Tighten it up. This is very pretty out here, I think. Oh. Missed a step there. Just listen. Back that way at the dog park over. Dog park's actually that direction. But people do walk their dogs through here. It's a great place to take a dog for a walk, especially a dog like Cody. Nobody will mess with Cody. Cody's a 150-pound yellow lab. He's the sweetest, nicest dog you'd ever want to meet.
If a bear tries to attack Cody,
Cody can knock you unconscious with his tail. He wags it so hard. I had a bruise on my leg from him. He's a nut. But he's a good dog, though. This is sort of a favorite spot of mine on this trail. This row of pines here. I think we're being followed by that dog. Unless it's a wolf. Oh my God! Ooh, hunters. Oh, the gunshots, huh? Could be. But nobody hunts in these woods. So we're not worried. No need to be. Any minute now I expect to see some deer. We always see deer when we go for a walk through here. To the right. And that just leads to that pond over where the road tracks over there. You can see that row of pines right there. And we just walked from there. It's just kind of cool when that happens. It doesn't look like somebody planted in there. It's natural. Oh look, there's still some fall colors here. Sort of. Call it fall colors. Oh yeah, there's a little wooden bridge right there. I don't know if you can see it very well on this camera, but there's a stream that goes alongside the trail, and it's diverted under this bridge and goes down and joins the other stream over there. It's a water supply. If you're hiking through here, we don't really need a water supply. We're not that far from home. Only about a mile from home. Scout always gets himself nervous when we're walking too far. We're going too far. Did 8 miles. Oh my gosh. Company. How you doing?
Hello.
How's it going? A little blast to the train horn so you know you're not too far from civilization. What are you doing? Why are you sitting on the bridge? Because you like to. Oh, there we go. There are the puppies that have been following us. For those who don't know, this camera is waterproof to 160 feet or something like that. Ooh, lost my footing there. I've taken this camera on pools and gone diving on top of it. I've never gone scuba diving with it. Seem to have broken it on the side, so I'm not really sure how continue it is to be waterproof, but I'm sure it's waterproof enough for snow or rain. I'm taking it with me boating, so I'm confident enough that if I drop it in the water, it won't kill everything. It's getting a little slippery out here on the trail, which is kind of interesting. This is the same trail that Scout and I walked with his Boy Scout troop the other day for their night hike. This is exactly the same trail, this yellow trail. We went from the white to the green to the yellow. And we'll probably go back by the blue or the red, I'm not really sure. We'll decide when we get there. Well, if we go that way, we're taking the red trail. I see the red marker over here. Over here, I see the yellow blazes. That's the shorter trail this way. I think we want to start heading home. Yeah. All right, we'll go to the right. So right it is. Scout and I just came across a spider in the middle of the snow. He's walking across the top of the snow. So we took a moment and we picked him up and put him closer to a tree, figuring maybe he can climb the tree and be safer there than being in the middle of the path. But anyway, here he is, still curled up in a ball. There he is. Curled up in a ball. I hope he doesn't die, but at least he's closer to the tree now than being in the middle of the path. We moved him from there over here, where he was in the middle of the path where we just walked, to over by the tree. And hopefully he's not going to make it to the winter, I'm sure, but you know, at least he has a better chance. Okay, sticking with the spider theme, we just came across a spider web right here that's kind of covered with snow.
So you can see it a bit better.
You can see it kind of, I literally walked right into it because I could not see it. Scout is feeling a little tired, it's getting dark. This field is gorgeous. This is the field that's not too far from the spring. We'll take good shots of that in a minute. But we're getting kind of anxious when we get home. It's getting a little dark. I know the sun's going to go down soon. I don't know what time it is. Kind of has me concerned. So this here is the top of Devil's Hill. So we saw the people sledding before. There's actually somebody there. I don't know if you can see him. Top of the hill, I guess you're going to go flooding. The green trail goes over here. That's where we're going to go. We'll go to the green trail back to the white trail, so we don't have to do this major elevation change, because we'll just need skis to do it, really. You should be able to see them now. mess of water in the lines or something. There you go, there's people getting ready to snowboard or sled or whatever. There they are. You see them? They see us, staring right at us. Carry on. I'm intrigued by that sound. I'm intrigued by that sound. Anyone doesn't seem to care.
Good footage of him tonight.